Tesla announced development of new energy storing technology during their Battery Day event, which can reduce half the production cost and store even more energy. Overall, the new battery technology will increase the range of vehicle up to 54%. And by the way, Tesla's present range is one of the best in market. During the event, Elon said that the new innovation will let Tesla create a passenger car within the next 3 years that would cost around $25,000. But now the question is, how exactly is possible and what's so special about Tesla's new battery technology? To understand how they are going to cut down the cost along with having increased efficiency, let's take a look on what batteries are currently used in electric vehicles. Almost every major car company uses lithium-ion battery, and this has to have either nickel cobalt aluminum oxide or nickel manganese cobalt chemistry, and both has nickel and cobalt in common, out of which cobalt is by far the most expensive element, of course followed by nickel, which can cost around 1/3 to even sometimes half the price of cobalt. So does this mean if we simply remove these two elements, price of batteries will come down? Ideally, yeah. But this has another drawback. Removing cobalt and nickel will have direct effects on batteries' overall health and efficiency, which is why they are still in use today. But now we have found an alternative, which is lithium iron phosphate, which is like a new gold in batteries, but much cheaper than cobalt and nickel. So with lithium iron phosphate battery, the cost will be reduced without hurting battery's life and efficiency. At the moment, Tesla has already eliminated cobalt, but still using some sort of nickel in their batteries. But now the questions still remain unanswered, that how they will be able to increase the performance. Well, Tesla has answer for that too. They are planning to increase the size of the cell to 46 by 80 millimeters, which will increase the energy storage capacity by 5 times, power by 6 times, and the range by over 16 times. But increasing the battery size means increasing the charging time, right? Again, they have the solution for that as well. Instead of using the conventional cell in their batteries, they are using what is called a cell with tabless cathode. Removing the tab not only just reduces the charging time, but also makes the design even better. The tabless battery cell is itself a topic for a new video, but we will talk about that in somewhat later. Overall, this is how they are going to reduce the cost and increase the performance. Presently, it costs about $127 per kilowatt hour. But with Tesla's new battery technology, the cost will come down up to $56 per kilowatt hours only. And to match up with the price of IC engine cars, Tesla has to come down the cost to $100 per kilowatt hour, which it seems they already have achieved with their new battery technology. So now, what lies ahead of Tesla in future? Presently, they are making 1% of global car sales, which is around 2 million car units. And now they want 20 million car units to be sold by 2030. Considering the recent improvements and cost reduction in batteries, this target doesn't seem so far. Elon have even suggested recently that Tesla is going to enter into Indian market in 2021, which is one of the biggest markets in Asia. If you haven't already heard about the news, then please check out the link somewhere at the top of your screen or in the description as well. So what do you say? If Tesla did make a $25,000 car in the next 3 years, would you be willing to buy it? And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, just give us a huge thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, just subscribe to it. With this, signing up for now. See you in the next one with even more interesting news for you.